Okay, here we are at Disney Springs. We're gonna go into this store here. They got some new pastries in here. Look at this, Jack Skellington Éclair and Sally Éclair. And I thought I saw something real about a rose, so we're gonna go in here and see what we can find. Alright, this is a lay of the land in here. Take a look at these super cute Mickey and Friends dome cakes. We got the Fab Four. They're almost too pretty to eat. All right. Right there, there's that rose that I saw on a reel. Amorette, Wilting Rose. That's brand new. It's a chocolate biscuit with dark chocolate mousse and raspberry sauce. Very cool. I was just checking out the rose here. Alright, super cute Mickey. Dome cake with Sally Éclair. Jack Skellington Éclair here. Alright, those are the three newest, latest and greatest. Here's a better shot of that rose. $8.25 and you can get that rose. Almost too pretty to eat. In case you're wondering where this is at, it's right next to the World of Disney. It's like the first store right next to the World of Disney. Let me go out here and try to show you guys. Yeah, right there is World of Disney, so